Okay, physical quantities and measurements. So we have already started with this. We have already done two parts of this. We'll just elaborate more on it. So today we'll be starting about mass, length and time. Okay, so length we measure in meters. Okay, so we'll define it and we'll learn more about it. Okay, weight, it is mass actually, not weight, and time, that will be in seconds. So we already know what length is. The SI unit of length is meter. Let us define what length is. So length is a distance between 2 points. So whenever you measure any distance, okay, you use a scale, okay, and measure a distance between any 2 points. So a length, using a ruler, you can measure the length of the book, for example, or anything by using this scale. So what you are basically doing is you are taking 2 points. Okay, so you're measuring a distance between any 2 points. All right, so that is length. Now what is mass? Mass is matter contained in a body. Okay, so every body is made up of matter, and matter that holds it, that is inside that body, is what is the mass of it. Okay, similarly time is instance or events. Okay, so interval between two instances or two events that are happening. So distance between them, between two intervals is time. Okay, all right. Now SI unit of length, we know it's meter. Okay, abbreviated with M. Mass is kilogram, it is kg we write, and time is seconds, we use S for it. Okay, now there's one more system of measurement apart from the SI was taken, most of the things were taken from that system, which is MKS system. All right, now we have already studied who decides what the length or mass or time should be, or what should be the SI unit. So SI, the System International, they decide what should be the unit of a particular thing. Okay, to measure length we have meters and so forth. So what will be universally accepted, but how they decide, or how much 1 meter should be, or how much 1 kg should be, how they decide, we'll study now. All right, so first we'll start with length. As we have already known that the SI unit of length is meter. All right, now length. So earlier they used to use a rod that was been kept in Paris, and the length of that rod, made up of titanium, and length of that rod in a meter, okay, at 0 degrees Celsius was considered to be 1 meter. But later on they changed this definition, so they keep updating also. So now the definition is that 1 meter is defined as a distance traveled by light in air, that is approximately 1 into 10 to power 8 of a second. So in simple word, it means that, okay, say light travels 3, okay, wait a minute. So light, it travels 3 into 10 to power 8 meters, okay, in a second. All right, now we want to measure the length of 1 meter. You can write this equation as 3 into 10 to power 8 into 1 meter. So you're multiplying anything with 1, it doesn't make a difference, right? Remain the same. It's 1 second. Okay, so we want just 1 meter, so we'll send the other thing on the other side. So it will become that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 3 into 10 to power 8 second. So this is how they find out what 1 meter is. Okay, so it is based on the speed of light. So 1 meter is nothing but how much the light travels, okay, divided by 3 into 10 to power 8 in 1 second. Okay, alright, now we'll just see some multiples and submultiples and we'll discuss on it. Okay, so what the multiples and submultiples are. Okay, so for example kg, so we should remember that 1 kilometer, I'm sorry, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. 1 meter, 1 meter, okay, wait a minute. Alright, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right now here, if we have to find out a sub multiple, say only 1 centimeter, in that case what we can do is we can write this as 1 meter is equal to 1 into 100 centimeter. So 1, we can take 100 on the other side. 1 upon 100 meter will be equal to 1 centimeter. Alright, so 1 centimeter is nothing but 1 upon 100 meter. This is how we got this. So 1 centimeter is 1 upon 100 meter. Alright. Okay. Now 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon, is again the same thing, 1 upon 1000 meter. Okay. So 1 meter, you can write this, okay, say 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 meter is equal to 1000 into 1 millimeter. Since we want only 1 millimeter, we'll send the other thing on the other side, so it becomes 1 upon 1000 meter is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, so here 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meters. Alright. Similarly, you have to remember this, that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Okay, and that is 12 inches is equal to 30.48 centimeters. Okay. So you see a foot scale, we say a foot scale is of 12 inches. So basically what you use in your compass boxes is of 6 inches, so half a foot, half a foot. Okay. Similarly, 1 yard, okay, it is less than a meter. It is 3 feet, and that is 36 inches. Okay, and 1 yard is, in terms of meter, it is less than a meter. It is 0.91 meter. It is approximately 9 centimeter less than a meter. So 1 yard is 91.44 centimeter, which can be written as 0.91 meters. Okay. All right. We'll move on to the other things. So SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, that is kg we write. Okay, now how this kg has been derived? So mass of a liquid of water, mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees Celsius is taken as 1 kilogram. So you take 1 liter of water at 4-degree temperature. Okay, whatever its weight is, whatever its mass is, that will be considered as 1 kilogram. Okay, why 4 degrees Celsius? Because the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Alright, that's why we take at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you get a unit number over there, 4 degrees Celsius. The water has maximum density, hence we take it at 4 degree. 1 liter water at 4 degrees Celsius will give you mass. That mass is what you use as 1 kilogram, the bar of 1 kilogram. Alright. Now sub multiples and other things. So 1 quintal, quintal is 100 kg. So basically a sack full of wheat would be a 100 kg. So that way they say quintal. Okay, so basically farmers they deal in this type of a quantity, that is quintal. A trader, they use metric ton, that is 1000 kg. So if you are shipping, a big trader who's shipping a large amount of wheat, rice, or anything, any other material, that has been considered or talked about in metric tons. Even the weight of a ship, if you notice, it will be in metric tons. So what is the weight of a ship? For example, Nimitz class, the heaviest warship of US, okay, the aircraft carrier, it is around 1 lakh ton, okay, or 100,000 metric ton is the weight of that ship. Okay, 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. Okay, so we all know 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, and so 1 gram would be how much? So same way. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so 1 kilogram can, this equation can be written as 1000 into 1 gram. Here multiplying it by 1, it doesn't make any difference. However, we just want to find 1 gram, so we'll send this 1000 on the other side. So 1 upon 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 gram. The same thing has been mentioned over here. So 1 gram is 1 upon 1000 kilogram. That is 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Similarly, 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. So again, instead of, so we know that 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So again, if we have to get 1 milligram, we'll send this 1000 on the other side. It will be 1 upon 1000 grams. Okay, so 1 milligram is 1 upon 1000 grams. Now let us quickly finish the third one, that is seconds. How seconds are being calculated? Okay. How or on what basis they consider seconds? Okay. So the SI unit of time is seconds, and second, so 1 second is defined as 1 upon 86400 part of a mean solar day. Mean solar day means nothing but an average of all the days. So Earth rotates in 24 hours. Okay, it completes one rotation. Now in an entire year there are 365 days. So you take a mean of all this day, it becomes a mean solar day. Okay, so mean solar day. So 1 second is nothing but, so 1 second is 1 upon 86400, this number multiplied by mean solar day. So you multiply it with mean solar day. Now mean solar day, that means one complete day is considered 24 hours, and 24 hours when you convert in seconds, it comes to 86400. Okay, so 1 second is nothing but, okay, 1 upon 86400 multiplied by mean solar day. Now let us see about these numbers also. Multiples and submultiples of seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. That is 3600 seconds. That is 1 hour. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, and when you multiply 60 with 60, it comes to 3600 seconds. So in an hour, 1 hour, you have 36008 seconds. Now there is 24 hours in a day. So 24 multiplied by 3600 will give you 86400. Okay. So in a day there are 24 hours. 24 hours when you multiply by 3600 seconds, it comes to 86400. So this is, in a day there are how many seconds? So 86400 seconds are there. Similarly, in a year there are 365 days. So this is common knowledge. Alright, it has become a very lengthy video. Not a problem. Alright, bye. Take care.